Peach dessert, you prepare it in 5 minutes. Just mix it and let it cool and it's ready quick and easy. Let's start by adding a can of peaches to a bowl. Now let's cut the peach into smaller pieces like that. We are going to add 2 packages of already hydrated unflavored gelatin and mix very well. Here it is perfect. Then add everything to a mold already greased with olive oil. Refrigerate until firm. In a bowl, add a 395-gram carton of condensed milk, then a box of milk cream. Also add 500 milliliters of milk and 2 packages of unflavored hydrated gelatin. Mix very well. Now in the first part, you will peel the peach off the bottom like this. Then add half of our dessert that we just prepared on top. Let's lift that part of the peach like this. Now add it to the rest of the dessert. Refrigerate until firm. Our dessert is now ready. Let's pass a knife back and forth. Let's turn it over on a plate. Look how our incredible dessert turned out. Let's take a piece.